Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So it's not too often a auto manufacturer gives you anything free. A lot of times, even if your car's under warranty, they'll make something break or say they didn't hear the noise or something like that to try to do everything they can not to fix it. I've had that actually with one of my vehicles. There was a problem with it. You could definitely hear it, took it in. They said, oh, it seems normal to me. And it just kept getting worse. And finally they did something about it. But that was a year later after dealing with it that whole time and having to get so bad where you would definitely have to hear it. Well, like I said, a major auto manufacturer just announced that they're going to do a free upgrade to over 1 million other vehicles. And this isn't a recall or nothing like that. This is just something to help the vehicle owners out so there won't be a potential problem down the road. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what I'm talking about. So this just came out a few days ago. And like I said, you don't really hear of anything free nowadays, but Toyota is actually doing something like that. So what they're doing, this affects over 1 million of their vehicles, is they're going to give you a free service. And the reason for this is to try to avoid a potential problem down the road. And this has to do with over 1 million of their hybrid all-wheel drive vehicles that were sold in the United States. And I'll put this little chart here on the screen. You can see exactly what models they are, the model years, when they were produced, and then how much of each one of the vehicles amount to that million or over 1 million vehicles. And here's a potential problem that they're having. It all comes down to the rear traction motor system that Toyotas use in their all-wheel drive hybrids. And this is per Toyota. They bring out that the high voltage floor underwire connector, and this powers the rear motor, can be exposed to like mud, water, or road salt the more you drive it. And then if you live in places that has harsh winters and a ton of rain, this can eventually cause corrosion pretty quickly. And they said if this starts to happen, the owners of these vehicles might notice things like the AM radio having noise, or you'll go to start your car and it won't start at all. And this is like different. So it's not a recall or TSB or nothing like that. They're realizing there's a problem. Instead of waiting for these issues to become paramount, a lot of vehicles not working, all that kind of stuff, they're wanting to have a fix for this right away. So what they're going to do is go ahead and seal the connector with a new wire harness protector. And the whole goal here is just to keep moisture out of that connector to prevent this corrosion. And you might think, well, they do that kind of stuff all the time, but not with this. Normally they would have to wait and issue a TSB, and that's where you'd come in and get it fixed. But that's not even at this stage yet. They're just noticing a design flaw and they want to get this fixed. So if you own a car that doesn't have a TSB or definitely a recall on it, and say it's out of warranty and this starts happening, well, then you're out of luck and you're going to have to pay the expenses to get this corrected. So if you're planning on keeping your car outside the warranty, it's a great thing by Toyota to do that, because it's just another thing that you're not gonna have to worry about. And like I said, if there's not a TSB later on, then there's nothing that's gonna hold them accountable to fix it, even though it might be a big problem. If it's not stated for a technical service bulletin or definitely a recall, then you are left holding the bag on that one. So I think it's a good step by Toyota to notice that there's a problem with corrosion in this connector, and they're gonna put a new connector cover on there to fix that problem. So like I said, that's a great thing instead of letting the problem happen. A lot of frustrated customers. And then like I said, if nothing else changes, then you're gonna have to pay for that yourself. So I thought that was interesting, and hopefully by them doing this, maybe Honda will kind of do similar things instead of waiting for things to become like a TSB or a full-blown recall and years later. Maybe they'll start identifying these small problems that their vehicles have and fix them right away, so you don't have to, as the owner, have an extended warranty to feel secure in that vehicle, or be left with a car out of warranty and have to do these repairs on it yourself. So again, I just want to bring it to your attention because a lot of people have Toyotas out there, and especially all these models, the RAV4, the Highlander, they're very popular models. So I bet some of you have one of these actually. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And if you have one of these vehicles too, if you had any problems with the starting or static that you've been noticing. Again, I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.